Oh my god, viewers. First of all, just take a look at these amazing POV boat-style videos. These types of videos are currently trending like crazy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create the same kind of content using completely free AI tools. Yes, you heard that right, 100% free. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open YouTube and search for the channel Click Me. As you can see, this channel is absolutely incredible. It has over 23,000 subscribers with only around 145 videos uploaded. Now, if we take a look at the short section and sort by popular videos, the results are mind-blowing. Many of these shorts have received millions of views, 9 million, 7 million, 4 million, and many more, with hundreds of thousands of views. Almost every short on this channel performs exceptionally well. Today, I'm going to show you how to create similar videos completely free using powerful AI tools. Before we start creating anything, you need to get the master prompt. You'll find this master prompt in the description of my video. This prompt includes everything you need: image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, scene instructions, and much more. Simply copy the master prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, click the Generate button and let the AI do its magic. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple scenes for your story. Each scene will include a dedicated image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover script. You'll get around 10 complete scenes, each featuring different characters, different locations, and unique storytelling elements. Make sure to review all the generated content carefully and customize it according to your preferences if needed. Now let's move on to the image generation section. For this tutorial, I'm introducing a powerful free AI image generation tool, Google Gemini. Gemini has become incredibly good at creating high-quality images from text prompts. To generate your images, simply copy the image prompt from the document we generated earlier and paste it into Gemini. Then click the Generate button and wait a few moments. As you can see, Gemini immediately starts creating the image. After a short wait, the results appear, and honestly, they look fantastic. In just one click, Gemini can generate multiple high-quality images that are detailed, sharp, and visually appealing. Next, I'll copy the second image prompt and repeat the process. You can also specify the aspect ratio you want, such as 9:16 for shorts or 16:9 for YouTube videos. Once again, Gemini generates stunning results with excellent quality and consistency. Let's continue with the third prompt. I'll paste it into Gemini, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. Just like before, another beautiful image is created. We can repeat this process for several prompts, generating 4 or 5 high-quality images with ease. The results are impressive and perfect for storytelling videos. Now that we've explored Gemini, let's move on to another exciting AI tool called Flow AI. This tool is also excellent for image generation and gives you another option to create visuals for your videos. Simply open Flow AI, create a new project, and start pasting the remaining image prompts. I'll take prompts 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, paste them into Flow AI, and generate all the images. After waiting a few moments, Flow AI produces a complete set of stunning visuals. The quality is excellent, and the images are highly detailed. At this point, you have two great options: Google Gemini and Flow AI. Compare the results from both platforms and choose whichever style you prefer for your project. With that, our image generation section is complete. We now have all the visuals needed for our story. The next step is turning these images into engaging videos, and that's exactly what we'll cover in the video creation section. So, let's move on and start bringing our images to life with AI-powered video generation. Let's go. Alright viewers, now it's time to move on to the main video generation tool. I have already opened the website called AI Studio Tencent. This is a powerful Chinese AI platform, and you'll find the link in the description of this video. Simply click the link and open the website. Since the platform is originally in Chinese, the first thing you need to do is right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. If you see a Try Again option, click it, and within seconds the entire interface will be translated into English, making it much easier to use. The next step is to sign in using your personal email address. Although you may see multiple login options, I recommend using your email. Simply enter your email, receive the verification code, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Model Exploration section. Here you'll find a variety of AI models available for different tasks. However, The model we are interested in is Hunyuan Video 1.5. Make sure to select this specific model because it allows you to generate AI videos completely free of charge. Yes, you heard that correctly. This tool is currently 100% free, and you can generate as many videos as you want without paying anything. Now let's start creating our first video. I'll upload the image we generated earlier and then move to the prompt section. Next, I'll copy the video prompt from our generated document and paste it into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, I'll click the Generate Immediately button. As you can see, the task has now started processing. All you need to do is wait patiently for a few moments while the AI creates the video. And there it is, our first AI-generated video is now ready. Take a look at the result. The emotions, movements, cinematic quality, and dramatic storytelling are absolutely incredible. It's hard to believe that a completely free AI tool can generate such high-quality video content. The character animation looks smooth, the expressions feel natural, and the overall visual quality is extremely impressive. Now let's move on to the second image. I'll repeat the exact same process, upload the image, paste the corresponding video prompt, and click the Generate button. As you can see, the second video has also started rendering. Again, all we need is a little patience. After a short wait, the second video is ready as well. And just like the first one, the quality is fantastic. The motion is smooth, the visuals are engaging, and the final output looks professional enough to use directly in your content. So far, we've generated 2 videos using AI Studio Tencent, and both results are outstanding. What's even better is that this platform is completely free to use. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the direct link in the description below. Now let's move on to another excellent free AI video generation tool called Flow AI. This platform is also extremely useful for creating cinematic AI videos and provides daily free credits for users. To get started, I'll select my first image and switch to the video generation section. Then I'll choose the VO 3.1 Lite, which offers a great balance between quality and speed. Next, I'll copy my video prompt and paste it into the prompt section. I'll repeat the same process for the second image, the third image, and the fourth image. Instead of generating them one by one, I'll start all of the video generation tasks at the same time. This allows us to save time and quickly compare the final results. As you can see, all of my videos are now processing simultaneously. While the AI is working in the background, we simply need to wait for the rendering process to finish. Once all the videos are completed, I'll show you the final outputs. Alright viewers, all of our videos have now been generated successfully. Let's take a look at the final results one by one. As you can see, every video looks absolutely amazing. The motion is smooth, the visuals are high quality, and the overall cinematic feel is incredibly impressive. Today we explored 2 powerful AI tools that allow you to create stunning images and cinematic videos completely free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video with more exciting AI tools and powerful tutorials. Until then, take care, keep creating, and goodbye.